Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners on Mar-18. Another down day in Tesla. If I zoom in here, let me expand this. Coming down, what I did is I went from the most recent. I'm just showing you. We can move it back to the other position, but I went from this most recent swing. I just updated them. Okay, so we had the same key low that I had yesterday, just projecting the shorter term levels. Since we didn't get all the way down yet to the longer term levels, the next shorter term level came in. Let me move this out of the way. You can see here 344.63 and the low was 351. If you want the longer term level, so that's coming off this swing. Just showing you what you can do. You can put them on both. I just don't try to over clutter the chart. We can go up to, I just go to the all-time, instead of this one I go to the all-time high, which is going to give us this next major level of 324.38. So that's the next major level. And if you want to come back to here, let me go back. We can go to this, the most recent swing, which is going to give us this this 340 something level that I just talked about. Move. I got too many things on my chart. 344.63 and then 293. I'm just going to leave it on here because this is forming a really nice cluster. So remember, we have a level about 324 to 330 below here, a minor level. Next major one we're going to be watching is this, essentially 293 to 300. Major cluster there. Doing the retracements now on any rally, especially above 396. So I'm going to be watching 400. 400, then we're watching 427.82, and then about 487 coming in. This rotation zone is going to keep dropping. So 487 to 505 with the rotation zone, some major resistance off the daily chart. If we go down to the 4 hour, you can see here the rotation zone is going to come into play. Right now it's about 442. I'm going to be watching this 427 level, which is a 12.5% retracement. So anywhere from 427 to 442 is the next minor level based off the 4 hour. The divergence is invalid now. We made such a lower low that we have no potential divergence on the 4 hour and no divergence anymore on the daily. So you see here, we've now bypassed both the recent troughs. So we have no potential divergence, no double bottoms yet, no reversal patterns. It doesn't mean it has to keep going down. It is very oversold. Just like going up, it was very overbought. If you remember, all this time, look how often it stayed overbought. Now it's staying oversold. So these things can stay in these longer term overbought or oversold conditions, especially with Tesla, longer than we think. So at some point we will get a rally. Volume still coming in. The major area we'll be watching for on this rally again, based off the daily, I'd be watching the 500 level. If we get above 400, I'm watching 500. It's just where it is. It just happens to be the round number. That's what we're watching. But first off, we have that major resistance coming in about 427. So that's the first area we'll be keying off of. Just to take a quick look at the weekly chart halfway through, we're down all the way. Wow. So we're down 4 weeks in a row, just as we were up all these weeks in a row, all the way down here. Let me move this over. So you see we're back at this little support ledge. So this prior resistance. So this prior resistance ledge becoming support. It's now testing support. If we did drop below that, yeah, the real next area is 300. That we'll be watching. And keep in mind also that 427 area is just right around, Elon's famous 420 tweak it private. A lot of people key off that 420 area. So really start watching that area for any rally. But we do not have a reversal signal yet. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.